Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another product reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the Dead Dolly stamp set. It is a 4x6 stamp set that has 3 Dolly images and 2 accessory stamps. One of them is an eyeball, which goes with the doll up on the top right. And then the little bird skeleton goes with the dolly on the bottom right. There are 6 sentiments. One of them is "You're a doll." The other sentiments are really very easily buildable. There's "My forever friend," "Just forever friend," "Hello dolly." There's a lot you could do with those sentiments. And the dolls are cute in a very creepy kind of way. The largest doll is about 3.5 inches wide and 2.25 inches high. The next doll is 1 3/4 inches wide by 2 1/4 inches wide. And then the final doll is 2 1/4 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. This first one, I used the little dolly who's dropping the breadcrumbs, feeding her pet skeleton bird. And I thought that it would be pretty fitting to incorporate some of the tombstones and the gates from the new Build a Graveyard die set. And then for the second sample, I used all 3 of the dollies, and I used the new Wobbly Windows Slimline die. So that wraps up this reveal video. Thank you so much for joining me. For more inspiration, make sure you check out the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information about the products that I've shared today, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website. We'd love it if you would follow us over on Instagram and join our group on Facebook. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.